Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by confirming your Gemini account is fully verified and that two-factor authentication is active. Once done, open the Transfers or Deposit page and select Wire Transfer as your funding method. You need to copy Gemini's bank instructions and the unique reference code exactly. Banks use that to credit your account. Next, log into your bank portal and set up an outbound wire using those details, entering the USD amount you intend to fund and choosing the correct account to debit. Now complete the wire form at your bank. Input Gemini's beneficiary name, account number, routing or SWIFT/IBAN where applicable, and the exact reference code in the remittance or reference field. Make sure you select USD or the currency Gemini specified. Currency mismatches cause delays. Confirm the bank's outgoing wire fee and any correspondent bank charges. After submission, save the bank confirmation or tracking number. You'll typically see the funds hit Gemini in 1 to 3 business days, depending on bank. Once Gemini shows your deposit as settled, go to the Buy panel and choose Bitcoin. You can use a market order for immediate execution or a limit order if you want a specific price. Set the USD amount or BTC quantity and confirm. Make sure to review fees before finalizing. If the wire is delayed, first confirm with your bank using the wire trace number, then open support with Gemini including the bank receipt and reference code. This speeds reconciliation and resolves missing or misapplied wires.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.